Our PONi Brow Powder Duo is a duo shaded eyebrow palette with fully customizable depending on how intense or light you would like your brows to be. Made with the highest quality mineral ingredients, this brow powder has ultra fine, densely compacted consistency with minimal fallout. Our duo powder comes in 3 shade options. We've got Palomino, Chestnut or Thoroughbred depending on your brow colour and intensity. Each brow powder duo comes with 2 shades, one to lightly fill and thicken and the other to fill in any gaps or to create a more bold and defined look. To use, simply take your Pro Brow Brush and dip into the slightly deeper colour and fill in any gaps. This can be intensified as much as you require, depending on how bold you want your brows to be.